Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the trusted phone number on your iPad mini 7th generation. So of course this is related to the Apple account. So in order to change the list of trusted phone numbers, we want to open settings, then tap on your name at the top of the list in order to open the Apple account settings, and then go to sign in and security. And then over here go to two-factor authentication. And here you should find the list of trusted phone numbers. You can press edit on the right side in order to remove a trusted phone number or add another one. You might need to have at least one trusted phone number before you can actually remove a phone number. So if you have only one, then you might need to add another one. You might also need to enter the passcode in order to proceed. And after that, you can choose the phone number, and you can also choose the method how you want to verify yourself with the number. You can either use the text message or a phone call. And once you are done, press continue over here, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.